Hey guys, William with Shuttertronics here. Coming to you to do a little product review from one of our affiliates, PCBWay.com. They're a manufacturer of printed circuit boards, and they do it at a very reasonable price. I just wanted to show everyone the build quality, and the website, and their pricing. And if you use the link down below from us, you will receive a $5 coupon off your first order. You can get 10 boards up to 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters for $5 plus shipping. They have several different shipping options, from fast, which is DHL. You can get You can get your order within 2 to 3 days, but it does cost a little bit. Or they can send via airmail, which takes. This last order I did, it from the time that I sent the files to them till I received the product in my hand was exactly 15 days, which for $5, you can't complain. So let me bring up their website here. You see, it's PCBWay.com. They have a instant quote on their website. You put in your size of your board and how many pieces you need and how many layers and what thickness. The standard thickness is 1.6 millimeters. And let me tell you, it's pretty thick. I was really surprised for the price how nice the boards actually are. And one cool thing they do have on their site is after you place your order, they have a item tracker that will show you where your boards are in the process of being made. It's a really, really neat idea. It works great. The customer service is top notch. When you create an account, you're assigned an account manager, and you deal with that one person through the whole process. If there's something wrong with the files, or if you need assistance, or you like this time on this order, I had forgot to add something on my order, and I just contacted the support. My account rep told her what was going on, and she took care of it instantly. They're usually available 24/7. As far as I know, the manufacturing plant runs 24/7 also, because it was just a couple of days. I sent my files in on a Friday, and by Tuesday they had the boards ready to go to shipping. So they're really fast, and the quality is amazing for the price. There are other websites that do it a little cheaper, but PCBWay so far, in my what's the word I'm looking for? In my experience, the value for the money is right on at PCBWay. They inspect your boards, they inspect your files before they even begin to make sure that the files are buildable. And then once they build your boards, they do electrical testing. Some of the other quote unquote cheaper places don't do that. They slap your boards down on copper, and oh well, if they work, they work. If they don't, they don't. But PCBWay takes that extra step for what I think is no more cost. So, like I said, if you guys are interested in getting some boards made, if you follow the link down below, you'll get a $5 coupon for your first order. I'll bring up a slideshow of the boards we had, these most recent boards we had made. This is my third order with them, and I can't stress how amazed I was at these boards. They do have different color solder masks. As you can see here, I went with red with white text on the silk screen, and it came out really, really nice. Very legible, easy to read. They tin all your pads. I went with the long pads on this board, and let me tell you, it made soldering so much easier. As you can see, my custom silk screen was printed on each part, very legible, no missing characters. And I'm not sure what kind of ink they use, but it's very resistant. I sprayed this board here that's in the slideshow. I sprayed with alcohol, pure, almost not. I think it's, let's see, it says 91% isopropyl alcohol to clean fingerprints and stuff off of it, and it didn't hurt the solder mask or the silk screen at all. And as you can see, I use different track widths. For the VCC, I use a thicker track for extra power. And you can see that the silk screen is very legible, very bright, crisp. All the holes are drilled through and centered and plated through. This board only had one via, and the only mistake, and I think it was my mistake, is it wasn't tinted, meaning that the hole was covered with the solder mask. But I think that might have been my fault in my files. But here's the completed board. You can see all the parts fit perfectly. No modification. It was a breeze to solder, especially with those long pads. It made flowing the solder really easy. But yeah, there's the boards. Like I said, they're a thick board at 1.6 millimeter. I didn't get an end shot here, and I wish I had it, but I forgot to. As you can see, my soldering is okay. I'm not the best at it, but those extra long pads really made that simple to do. But that's all I have for right now. Today is Thursday the 19th at 3 p.m. Eastern. We will be going live, and I will be hopefully ordering some more boards. And I will live stream the whole process of how to do that, and what's required, and what files are needed, and how to create those. Alright guys, if you like our videos, please click like, hit that thumbs up or thumbs down, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to get notified, and we'll see you on the next one.